I certainly admire these old pocket watches, part of American history. This is a Waltham, one of the three main pocket watch makers in the old days. This one's from 1908. As you can see, it has a very attractive case. This one is an Elgin, made in 1900. This watch is 150 years old. It was made in 1871, back when America was only 95 years old and had President Ulysses Grant. This is a Hamilton, one of the other main pocket watch makers. This one's from 1901. If you look, it also has a very, very attractive case. And this one is the 1902 Elgin. I got relatively cheap. It wasn't working very well when I got it, so I cleaned it up, and it keeps very good time. It has a leather fob. Anyway, just a little bit about these old pocket watches.